Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And then let's enter the settings. They should be in this upper panel. So let's tap. Now we've got the languages section, and this is the language we've got currently added. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. You can scroll and try to find it, or you can enter the name of it and then tap on it after finding. Here we've got the keyboard types, so basically just mark the options which you want to use. You can use more than one keyboard type and then tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, so you will leave only one applied, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So here we've got our keyboard, and here we've got the hint of what we have to do. So the most important thing is this key with the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layouts. So currently we've got the English one, and after tapping on it, we can switch to the other one in my case, which is more the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So this is how it works. And if you want to remove the language, let's enter the settings again. And I don't know what happened. We have to enter the settings again. Tap on the languages. And here in this section, you have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.